Hey there, welcome back. Let me ask you something real. Remember when summer felt like a forever for you? When your biggest worry was if your paper boat will float in the water or not? When the days were measured in playground games, mango stands, and chasing dragonflies at dusk? No planners, no screen time, no pressure. And yet, you woke up with excitement, you went to bed with satisfaction. Somewhere along the way, we all grew up, and calendar took over the curiosity. We all started scheduling for the survival and not for the joy. And now we wonder why we feel empty even we were busy. But what if we could bring back that into a balance? What if you schedule in such a way that will reflect not just your duties but your dreams also? Let's build no regret schedule that can blend your goals with your inner child's. Let's talk about it. No regret schedule. No perfect, not jam packed, but purposeful. It's a schedule that, even on tough days, leaves you thinking, at least I did what really mattered. Step number one, align with your life anchors. It can be health, finance, wealth, relationship, career. Ask yourself, what do I want to do to achieve all this in my this year? What kind of relationship do I want to nurture with family, friends, colleagues, spouse, kids? How do I want to grow as a person? Mentally, emotionally, spiritually, anything. These are three non negotiable life buckets. Your calendar should reflect them daily and not just when you have a time. Step number two, block the time for what that fuels you and not just what drains you. Time should flow towards your dreams. So block time for career goals, learning, side hustle, deep work, finances, family rituals, having meals together, game nights, going with friends, phone free walks, some self growth, reading, fitness, journaling, pursuing your hobbies. It's just a smart time management. Because when you honor this, you stop chasing and start creating. Step number three, use time tools that will reduce the regret. Use Google Calendar, color code your life anchors, use time reminders, and not just for the meetings. At night, ask yourself, did I invest in my goals today or just reacted? If your day was 80% reactive, responding to the emails, irritant interruptions, you'll always feel like a stuck. A no regret day has a meaningful block for each anchor. Step number four, leave the space, leave the grace. It's about choosing. Choose your few tasks, but make them aligned. Don't scroll for 30 minutes. Instead, call your parents, stretch, reflect, call your friends. And if the day falls apart, it's okay. Give yourself grace, realign with tomorrow. Most people don't regret what they did. They regret what they did not make time for. Their passion project, their hobbies, their walk with the kids, the gym sessions. They skipped lunch for emails. They skipped meals for something which was not important. Let's live on purpose and not on autopilot. Now here is a task for you. Review your schedule for the week. Circle what was meaningful for you. Cancel the one thing that was not aligned. Add one thing that will fuel up to your real goals. Just one shift a day and your whole life will start to feel lighter, clearer, and more for you. Because no regret life is not made one big leap. It's made one day, one choice at a time. If this resonates you, share this with someone who needs to hear about it. Now don't forget to comment no regrets. You deserve a life that feels aligned and not just a busy. Thank you.